Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to exclude segments and tags when you send an email in Mailchimp. This is incredibly useful when you want to refine your email campaigns and ensure certain groups of subscribers don't receive specific messages, helping you target your audience more effectively. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to either create an account or log into an existing one. If you're new to Mailchimp, click on Sign Up Free to get started. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Campaigns. This will expand to show you several options. From this expanded selection, choose Email Templates. This section houses all the templates you can use for your email campaigns. Under the Email Templates area, look toward the top part of the menu and select Mailchimp Templates. You'll see a variety of pre-designed templates available for use. For our purposes, you can select any template since we won't be diving deep into the design aspect. The configuration we need happens on the email customization page, so go ahead and click on Create Email once you've chosen a template. Now, this is where the magic happens for excluding segments or groups. On the email customization page, click on the To field, a drop-down menu will appear. And from here, you need to choose an audience. Select the audience list you want to send your campaign to from the available options. Once you've selected your audience, you'll notice two fields appear. One is labeled Send To, and the other is Do Not Send To. This is the key feature for excluding specific groups. Click on the Do Not Send To drop-down menu. From this drop-down, you can now select the segments or tags you wish to exclude from receiving this particular marketing email. This gives you precise control over who sees your content. Maybe you want to exclude customers who recently made a purchase, or perhaps you want to skip sending to a specific tag group that's already received similar content. Simply click on the segments or tags you want to leave out. Once you've made your selections, click Save to lock in your exclusion settings. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Mailchimp campaign to exclude specific segments and tags, ensuring your message reaches exactly the right people. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.